Today we're making Lomo Saltado, and let's get right to it. You're going to start by cutting all of your vegetables and aromatics. Cut your tomatoes, red onions, your cilantro, garlic, scallions, and also your ginger, which I totally forgot until later. Slice your beef across the grain and place it in a bowl. Add some salt and pepper and mix together. Then add avocado oil in a pan and cook half a batch of steak on high heat for about 3 minutes. Take the first batch of the beef and set it aside and do the same for the second batch. This will ensure that the steak is nicely seared. Then you're going to add in your vegetables and stir fry on medium heat for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. So add your red onions, tomatoes, and stir fry for about 1 minute. Then add your scallions and continue to stir. And there's that ginger that I totally forgot earlier and quickly chopped up and toss in the pan. Add your minced garlic, add your soy sauce, ají amarillo paste, and some vinegar and continue to stir. Add your beef back into the pan with all the ingredients and stir fry for about 30 seconds. Then mix in your cilantro, continuing to stir. And then add your french fries and give it a final stir to ensure that the french fries are mixed in nicely. And that's it. Mokja, let's eat.